Orang pasay magkapil Marikina, Pasig Sa Puting Manila Las Pinas, Paranaque From the north, Batanes, Apari Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte Isabela, Cayam Bali Mountain Province, La Union, Bagiti Nueva Ecija, Nueva Ecija Sigaran, Sambales, Bataan, Apunra Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna Let's go to the south of Luzon Camarines Norte, Quezon Alba, Camarines Sur Masbate And we have the islands Mindoro, Mindoro, and down to the Silent Shore Finish in Sugar, Coconut and Corn Cebu, Makantan, Makanduy Buhol sa Marley Inulong Kampis, Aklan Atikit, Panawan, Negos Bakulong, Sikudor, Lumakit Now let's go to the land of promise The land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga Sibasan, Bato Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Imami And the three provinces of Davao Davao Sur, Oriental, del Norte Cotabato, Lanao, Tawiwi Ay, 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 Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see according to our geography. Philippines is a beautiful country.